For today's drawing, I'm going to draw plus sign. Now I'm going to do 4 squares. So one this side over here, same thing here, little bit rough idea. So for this line from here to here, this is the middle point, and I will do a little bit curvy line or smiley face over here. Don't go really deep here, just slightly smiley, and then I will pull this one and this one. A little bit tilted this side. So I'm making this a smiley face, this side is longer and this side is not that much, so little bit tilted. Now under this one we will do one more smiley or curvy line here. We will start from this point. If I will pick this line, so this is almost like a middle point. For this one, this is going to be middle point. So I will start from here, but I will not go here, little bit up. So we can make a dot here, curve and go all the way here. This side we will do little bit high here, or maybe here. We'll start from here and we will go here. So this is the point. Little bit from here we will go and we can make not all the way up here, little bit down. This is the rough idea. We will erase this one, and from here, from this line or little bit from this side, we can start from here and we can do same thing this side. Now this is the line, little bit in. I will go here, I will pull this one up, and then I will try to draw curve here. Same thing one more time I will do. One more time. And then I will connect this one. Same thing I will do here. Now I will take one point from here, same distance on this side, and I will try to draw a circle. Sad faces both sides. Now here I am going to draw ellipse shape for both eyes. Right now it looks really weird what I'm drawing, but believe me, it will look nice. And any style do you want to draw these things, you can draw. For this one we are going to draw one this side, and both side I will curve. Now from here to here we will do one happy face. Now from here and here I will draw alphabet U and one sad face over here. And we can draw two smileys here. I'm pulling this line little bit more this side, so it won't look like a pattern, both sides same size. Now the tricky point will start now. So this is the line. From here I'm going to pull one line, and then I will do curvy here, pull this one all the way down, and here I will curve. From this point we are going to do kind of like a flat sad face all the way to the middle point, or a little bit longer. So this is the middle point for this line, so almost at the same place, or a little bit longer, that's totally fine. From here we will do the same thing. And we will connect this. From here we are going this side little bit more higher than this one, and tilt it. This one is straight, so I want this direction a little bit. So one up, it will go all the way over here, or we can pick one point and under the mouth we will draw one line, and we will keep coming from this center point here. Under this line I am going to draw one more. Now we will start from this point, and this point will go all the way to here next to this book. So from this corner we are going to pull this corner a little bit down from here, and this corner will come and little bit curvy. If it's going out little bit, we will connect over here according to that. Now we will do this line double. I want these lines a little bit down. This side we will draw a curvy line, kind of like alphabet D, and we will leave a little bit of space over here, and from here we can draw alphabet U, maybe from here. We'll do the first finger, second one. So let's erase this line so it will be more clear. And then third one. So this is a smiley over here. Now this side, same thing we will do. We will do alphabet D, and we will curve from here, and we will do alphabet U or D again. Compared to this one, this will be not really long over here. Now I'm going to erase this line, and I will make it curvy here. So when it's reaching towards this one, I will turn this one this way, and second one we will start from here, and I will curve. Now we will start from this hand, and we will do curvy. Now this line was coming all the way here and it will show here. Or maybe it will go here. Because this one is coming here, so this will also go this direction.